Good morning, my dear students. Today we will discuss about the concept of BCE and AD because we have started chapter Vedic civilization. So you have studied about BCE. Okay. So first of all, we have to know the meaning of BCE and AD. Okay. So birth of Jesus Christ. Look at this. Birth of Jesus Christ divided the history into two periods: before Christian era and after Christian era. Okay, before the birth of Jesus Christ, that time is written like that, BCE. Before Christian era, it is also known as before Common Era. Okay, and after the birth of Jesus Christ is written like that, AD. AD stands for Anno Domini. It is also known as CE, Common Era. It is known as Common Era. The time period after the birth of Lord Jesus is written like that, AD or CE. CE means Common Era. This is Common Era. This period is going on now. Common Era is going on now. AD is going on now. Okay. So before the birth of Lord Jesus is written like that, BCE, before the birth of Lord Jesus Christ. Okay. So look at your book. Here we have studied. Vedic age has been divided into two periods: early Vedic period and later Vedic period. Okay, early Vedic period is the time period of 1500 BC to 1000 BC. Okay, this time period is of early Vedic age, and 1000 BCE to 600 BCE is later Vedic age. Okay, early Vedic age or later Vedic age. So now look at your book now. During the early Vedic phase, the Aryans settled in the land of 7 rivers. Okay, the Aryans called this region Brahmavarta. Meaning of Brahmavarta means the land of the gods. And later the Aryans migrated towards the Gangetic Valley. The Aryans called this area Aryavarta, or the land of the Aryans. Now look at the next page. Look at this map. Look at this map. Brahmavarta. Okay, Sapta Sindhu region. This region is known as Sapta Sindhu. Sapta means 7. Sapta means 7. Sindhu means water. It means land of 7 waters, land of 7 rivers. So all the 5 rivers of Punjab before partition: Satluj, Beas, Ravi, Chenab, Jhelum, Indus. Okay, so these are all the 5 rivers of Punjab before partition are the tributaries of river Indus. So 6 rivers, 7 river Saraswati. Now it is disappeared. Okay, so 7 rivers. This land of 7 rivers were the main home to the Aryans, and they called this area as Brahmavarta, land of the gods. And as the population increased, okay, here they moved to the Gangetic Valley. Okay, drainage basin of Ganga river. Okay, so they moved to this area, and this area they named this area as Aryavarta. Okay, Aryavarta, land of Aryans. Okay, land of the Aryans. So this, is it clear to all of you now? Now, political organization of Vedic age. Early Vedic age. Okay, so Rig Veda was the main source of information about the early Vedic period. So political organization: Aryans were divided into many tribes. These tribes are called Janas. Okay, the chief of the tribe was called Rajan. Rajan means king. He ruled according to the wishes of the tribe. Okay, the Rajan fought wars and offered prayers on behalf of his people, and Rajan was assisted by many officials such as Senani, Purohita, Gramini. Senani was the commander of the army, held in the military duties. Purohita was the chief priest. He performed religious ceremonies and advised on religious issues. Gramini, or the village headman, informed the Rajan about the developments in the village. Okay, these are the political organizations of that period. Now, Sabha and Samiti, these were the 2 tribal assemblies. Okay, these were the 2 tribal assemblies of early Vedic age. The Sabha and Samiti kept a check on the powers of the Rajan. Okay, so this we have studied about the early Vedic age today. In the next video, I will teach you the social life of the early Vedic age.